Garfield Park Plant Conservatory in the city of Chicago. You see the blossoms of Buckeye, also named as horse chestnut in India. What we call horse chestnut in India and Europe, trees named as Buckeye in America. So this is floriferous small shrub of Aesculus genus, which is flowering in midsummer. As in our Himalayas, Jammu and Kashmir, we find Aesculus indica, Handon, Gung, Hugu. Similarly, this tree is very decorative, and many honeybees, they are feeding on the foliage of this flower, which is Aesculus. We have Daylily hemerocallis, one unique penstamen, beard tongue, which is called as flock of flamingos. So the blossoms are tubular, bell shaped, and they have the flamingo like rosy pink color, perhaps. So the plant cultivar stands named as flock of flamingos. We have dogwood, white dogwood behind, that's Cornus alba, and the tree before me is Elizabeth magnolia, and here it is maple. We have many host of flowers, and we see the zinnia, say Solenostemon, Petunia, Ageratum, Gumprina, globosa, and Strobilanthes diadianus, purplish colored foliage, so beautiful. This is Ipomia. This is another cultivar of Petunia. Likewise, we have Celosia, which is called marble in Kashmir. It is used for coloring the Bazwan dishes, but here it is serving the decorative purpose. We have the wisteria flowers. Although the huge blossoming in spring is over, now only few racemes are available. We have Parthenocissus tricuspidata, and this is red Cuphea, also named as cigar flower, large cigar flower or bat flower. This is Cuphea, this is sweet alyssum, this is Ageratum houstonianum, this is miniature tagetes. Again, the beauty of Cuphea, and this is also Cuphea. This is Evoluolus, and this is Dianthus, but this is Yucca, and this is our Macharan chai, what we call in Jammu hills as Maishan cha or Mundi cha. Adder's tongue, Destotum plexicolus. Rhizomes are used as tea substitute. It is the Asclepias syriaca, butterfly milkweed, Shasta daisy, that is Lycanthemum superbum, and we have red colored monarda flowers, and this is very unique, which is called as the northern sea oats, and this unique grass with flattened spikelets is native to America and is very unique. This is Rudbeckia, and likewise we have other flowers, and this is Betula, with exfoliating bark in midsummer. Birch. This is Japanese maple, colorful foliage even at this time. And this unique plant is Seven Suns. This is unique Heptacodium. Hepta, Hapt Chanar, as we have in Kashmir, locality named after seven chanar, Hapt Chanar. So this is also called Hepta, after seven. It's called Heptacodium. See the bark and species is Myconioides, seven sunflower. So this is unique plant in the Garfield Plant Conservatory. Leaves are opposite. They are tri-nerved at the base. Flowers are not seen, but plant is unique and its branches are being inhabited by birds for nesting. And the bird which I am able to see is black-winged, red-winged blackbird. So Garfield Conservatory has lot of outdoor plants as well as indoor plants. And indoor plant, the plant which I will refer, which stands mentioned even in Kama Sutra in India, that plant is Kemuk, and its another species is Costus lateriflorus, with beautiful yellow flowers. This I am seeing for the first time in Garfield Conservatory. And another Costus species, Budsonai. This is also unique, never seen. And apart from this, we have another torch ginger, which is having this peculiar. Torch ginger is botanically identified as Eclingera alitier. And it has beautiful pinkish blossom head, so beautiful, and it's very tall, taller than me. And we have many species of Magenta, now also known as Geoparcia, and this torch ginger. We have many varieties, and one particular plant which I am showing you now is Calitia eclipse. And likewise we have pink cone ginger. This pink cone ginger is Alpinia, basically Alpinia purpurata. This also belongs to family Gingiberaceae. And this is the prayer plant. This is also Calitia, popularly named as prayer plant. We have Caliandra here, but since it's already spring season is over, it's midsummer, so only one blossom is left on the top branch. And this unique pineapple lily, Eucomis comosa, from Asparagus family, flowering buds, one can see. This is nail polish plant, Neoregalia. This is Philodendron, but botanically identified as Monstera deliciosa. And this is also Caliandra. And we have yellow bells, Tacoma stans, and unique flowering of Duranta repens, Duranta erecta. Cultivar is facilitating. And we have Lady of the Night, Brunfelsia lactea. No flowers this time. This is caricature plant, Graptophyllum pectum. This is Pseudoranthemum atropurpureum. Pseudoranthemum atropurpureum. They are very fascinating. Small palm is Chamidoria aureophila. And this is spirit plant, spirit of Chicago after 1871, Great Chicago Fire. The city has progressed the leaps and bounds. And this particular plant, spirit plant, Geoportia Kegeljani, earlier known as Calithea mosaica, is from Brazil. And this is Parpori plant, Porphyrocoma pohliana. This one, Parpori plant, Porphyrocoma pohliana. And we have teddy bear form, Dipsis lactopelas. This one. We have boat lily, Tradescentia spatacea. This is Australian fan palm, Licula ramsay. This is Geoportia dressberry, Geoportia, and that is orchid, Spathoglottis unguiculata, with pink purplish flowers. This is bamboo palm, Chemidoria cypresi. Here is Thailand's sign. Also tropical pitcher plant, Nepenthes copelandi. But more fascinating pitcher plant we'll see elsewhere. And this, what looks from a distance as Aralia, is not Aralia, is not Polycias. It is basically Lea canariensis. And this is unique Piper auratum, with white pencil like white floral spike. Leaves are quite large. Maga also belongs to genus Piper. Kale Mirch also belongs to Piper, but this Piper is from South America, Piper auratum. This is Ephelendra hartweggiana. This is unique plant, decorative plant from South America, to which our brancard belongs. This is Lea guinensis burgundy, Vitaceae family plant, which has the flowers, blood red flowers, purplish branches. Leaves are alternate, but they are tripinnate. So this is unique. And even the bamboo is unique. Yellow colored bamboo, painted bamboo. And we have beautiful supports, which is called as Varizia splendens, flaming support, red colored and support like inflorescence, so unique. So it has been named as flaming support. Agni Talwar, Guihaya orgarita, Guilan dwarf plant form. And this is silver spangles, Pilea libanensis, with whitish miniature leaf. And this is the nerve plant, Fittonia. This is Fittonia Warshafalti Piercii. It's from South America. Nerves are so prominent. This unique plant from South America is Miliocarpa. And this is basket plant, Calesia fragrans, also seen in Jammu gardens. And this is Strongylodon macrobatrus from Tabaci, Philippines. This is a pea family climber. This is the basically Nepenthes. You can see a picture plant, Nepenthes with picture, wild leaf of Pisces, even small size picture. And this is unique, which has been labeled as Nepenthes cultivar, tropical pitcher plant. There are unique pitcher plants kept there. I will show you those pitcher plants also. See, this is a pitcher plant which has been named as Nepenthes miranda. Here also you will find the pictures very fascinating pictures, insect eating pictures. Carnivorous plant. This is called as in India we have Nepenthes khasiana, restricted to Garo Khasi hills. This is another picture, another Nepenthes cultivar with purplish pink pictures hanging down. They look like jug, but the moment any insect or fly enters, the lid gets closed and that particular insect is digested to make up, to compensate for the nitrogen. This is the Indian clock plant, which is basically Indian plant, Convergia mysorensis. Creeping fig is also seen in Jammu. Botanical garden, Ficus pumila. This is unique empress palm, Rhapis multifida. See, many stems coming together. So this is called a jade empress palm, Rhapis multifida. Lot of variety of palms I could see in this. For example, this unique palm, very hairy and as if some jute cloth is wrapped on its stem, unbranched stem and topped by the fan-shaped leaves. This is basically Miraguama palm. Miraguama palm, Cocothynex argentea, as the leaves are whitish. This is another palm which is called a Mazari palm, Nanoraps ricciana. Again the fan-shaped leaves. This is not found in Jammu and Kashmir, at least I have not seen. But this is Nanoraps ricciana. And this is yesterday, today and tomorrow. Varanthisia grandiflora, but no flowers. Dicorysandra pyraciflora, again plant is not there. This is unique hibiscus which I have seen for the first time. Tropical hibiscus, hibiscus dainty white with white flowers. This is Crinum asiaticum, and you see the Guzmania hybrids. These are bromeliads basically, and there's another Camirops humilis palm, and this unique palm is called a spindle palm with pinnately branched leaves, and this is called as Hyophorbi Varshafelti from the Sopari family, Ajicaceae. Hyophorb Varshafelti is unique. You see how it is like having the hairy floral panicles. And Camirops humilis, this is unique. Chamidoria elegans, this also seen in Jammu, Chamidoria elegans palm. And there's a Jupotia bella, Pharmacaletia bella. This particular leaf is unique, Alocaceae, but this is Maranthaceae. This is not Araceae presently. And this is a Crinum lily, Crinum asiaticum. This is Dianella and Dianella tasmanica, in fact. And this is Pseudoranthemum atropurpureum, leaves, foliage. Star fruit, Avirua carambola, which we also see in Botanical Garden, Jammu University and elsewhere. Even fruits are seen. So this is star fruit, Avirua carambola. In Hindi we call it as kamarak. This unique plant before me, which looks from a distance as a Grevillea robusta, but this is not Grevillea robusta. Silver oak is not this particular plant. This particular plant is the Phyllanthus. It belongs to the Amla family and Amla genus. Phyllanthus angustifolius. Species is angustifolius. So this is unique Phyllanthus which I have come across for the first time in Chicago. And another Japhyranthus which I have not seen earlier, that is Japhyranthus atamasca. Cryptanthus junitus is another plant which I have seen only in Chicago. And we have saw palmetto. This unique palm is Serenoa repens. See, Serenoa repens, the creeping type of stem, and these are the fan-shaped leaves. And this is Phoenix, unique Phoenix I have come across. In Jammu we have Phoenix sylvestris in the wild, but this Phoenix is basically canary date palm. So this is called as Phoenix canariensis, restricted to Canary Islands. similar look but different architecture. And we have silver thatch palm and is Cocothynex argentea before me, intermixed with Phoenix canariensis, and other slender palm is Cocothynex argentea. This is Tradescantia colorful Spethesia, Moses in a boat. And this is Turnera alimifolia. This is also found in Mumbai. And Turnera subulata is another species which is seen in Jammu and Delhi. But this particular plant is almond-leaved Turnera, also known as the Ramgod dash along. It has yellow flowers and almond-like leaves. So this stands named as Turnera almifolia from the family Turneraceae. And the unique plant before me is showing some kind of succulent habit. And this is Euphorbia punicea, pride of Jamaica. This is I seeing for the first time. I have never come across. If we will pluck its leaf, then latex will come out. It is looking, now you can see the even cythium inflorescence. So this is giving a look of Lal Patti, Poinsettia pulcherrima, or Euphorbia Poinsettia pulcherrima. But this particular Euphorbia is Euphorbia punicea. This is unique. Another Tradescantia Spethesia, another Anivona palm, Ravinia xerophila. This is also unique to the Garfield Plant Conservatory. And there is Acmea. And this is a unique plant which also we see in Ramnagar Hills, the Bilawar Hills, Sundarvani Hills, and it stands planted even in the Jammu University Botanical Garden, the Aranthemum pulchalam, earlier known as Dodelacanthus nervosus from the Brancard family, Acanthaceae. This is also introduced in plant conservatory here. And unique hibiscus which I have come across for the first time. The leaves are quite unlike our hibiscus, and this is Hibiscus clayi. This is clay is a hibiscus, critically endangered from Hawaii Islands. And Hawaii is one of the state of US, and you see the blood red or pink red fascinating flowers. And this flower is of Hibiscus clayi, which I am seeing for the first time in Chicago Plant Conservatory. This is the Acalypha hispida, red hot cat's tail, quite attractive catkins. This is the lollipop plant behind. This is Pachystachys lyca. And this is our Khantalo, Jasminum sambac, which stands mentioned even in Dogri literature. Khantalu aaya, rudda aaya, full Khantalu da. The same Jasmine sambac stands preserved in the Garfield Conservatory also. This is firecracker plant, Crosscentra infundibulliformis. Also see this plant in Jammu Botanical Garden and parks and gardens maintained by Floriculture Department. But this unique silver-based bromeliad, I will show you Acmea fasciata. You see the guldasta-like flower. This is coming, peeping out of these large-leaved, silvery green leaves. So this is Acmea fasciata, silver-based because of the silvery appearance of the leaves. And another unique dome palm is before me. This is called Hyphene cabaica. This one, the Hyphene cabaica. And there's a begonia which is called angel wing begonia, Begonia coccinea, with the red flowers. Flowers are not there on the plant. And this plant again we find in Jammu. Also planted in Indian Institute of Integrated Medicine, Jammu. This is Roselia ecusetiformis from the family Plantagenaceae. And this is Hibiscus schizopetalus. This particular flower is also seen in Jammu Botanical Garden. This is just like upside down, turned, then turned. And this is Jamaican caper tree, Caparus cynophalophora. Jamaican caper tree, Caparus cynophalophora, I am seeing for the first time. This is Caparus in Jammu. The name of the Rihadi is also after a Caparus, but that Caparus is saperi area, which is a spiny bush, and after this the locality name Rihadi is there. But this is another species of same Caparus. and this is called as Capparis Cynophyllofora, Jamaican caper tree. So this has a tree-like look, and the leaves are quite green, and under surface is whitish, grayish, and upper and dark green. And this is Capparis. This is Guzmania. This is Guzmania hybrid. This is Neo Regalia, nail polish like, and this is again Guzmania flabra. This is climbing oleander, Strophanthus gratus. I am unable to see any flower, but I have seen this plant in flowering in Lodi Gardens. Strophanthus gratus. It has light pink flowers, and they resemble to Nerium flower in having the corona. Leaves are opposite. This is also seen here. Guzmania Sir Albert bromeliaceae is unique. We have Darstinia Contre Zarva from Moraceae family. This I have not seen earlier. This is unique. This is called wart flower, and this particular deeply lobed leaves from the Moraceae family. Darstinia Contre Zarva I have never seen. This is my first ever encounter with this unique plant. This is stolen palm. Stolen was Hemidoria stolenifera, also seen in India, and we have very fascinating this palm, which is called a hooker's sugar palm, Arenga hookeriana. So it is sourced from Thailand, Malaysia, and we have Song of India plant, which is in honor of India also, and Dracena reflexa. We have many species of Dracena in this Garfield plant conservatory, but this one is unique. And we have another plant which is unique to this Lincoln Park Conservatory also. I saw for the first time, and second time I am seeing it in Garfield Park Plant Conservatory. That is West African Palisota bird tree. This is from the Comelainaceae family, and it has the red fruits. You can see as if they are ratia. They are not Abrus precatorius, but see the leaf is quite different, and even family is different. This is Palisota, a unique plant I have seen only in Chicago. Palisota bird tree, and this is Dominican palm, Sabal dominicensis. This one perhaps is unique palm. Yes, quite interesting. A Dominican palm, Sabal dominicensis, Adicaceae from Haiti. This is also unique. And apart from these, we have a variegated noses in both Tradescacia spathacea, Vetata, and there is another plant which is called a mocha palm, Syagra sierrensis from Brazil. This one is mocha palm, very tall, and leaves are pinnate in this case. And this is another plant which I am seeing here, red and narrowed leaves, and this is Phytonia, but gigantea. It's a giant narrow plant, Phytonia gigantea, which is from Ecuador. See the beautifully pink veined leaves. This is unique Phytonia. And there is another Seychelles stilt palm, stilt with maize-like stilt roots. We see also pandanus, we find these stilt roots, but the palm which have the stilt roots is Warshfeltia splendida from Ericaceae family. It is native to Seychelles Islands, and see the densely armed spiny trunk below, and then it is topped by these leaves. The leaves look like Chamaedorea leaves, and they are banana-like leaves from a distance, but they are palms, and this unique palm is Seychelles stilt palm. And we have another plant where even Kashmiri proverb stands quoted here. We have not inherited the world from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. What a pride. I am representing Jammu and Kashmir, and I could come across the Kashmiri proverb with a very meaningful quote. We have not inherited the world from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. So we have Chemitoria, Glaucifolia, another Glaucus parlor palm here. This is Chemitoria. We have very unique philodendron moonlight, horticultural hybrid, moonlight philodendron, very large leaves and even some yellow midrib. This is unique plant. Another beautiful flower I have just come across, that is Apicia cupreata, with silvery white flowers and the violet-like gessneriad flower. So this unique plant, which is I am seeing flowering in the Garfield Park Conservatory, is Apicia cupreata. It's a gessner, also called as having a silver sheen. So its silver sheen is quite unique. And another plant is cat palm. Cat palm is Chemidoria cataractarum. Chemidoria cataractarum. See its beautiful fruiting spadix. Cat palm. This is cat palm. And this is Colocasia esculenta. We are familiar with Pichalu in old city, Jammu city. We are having the all ki badi, but this Colocasia black magic is unique. This is a horticultural cultivar, and this is Cryptanthus junatus, here popularly named as the earth star from the family pineapple family, Bromeliaceae. And this unique silvery pony's foot, Dichondra argentea, is also there. Silver falls. This is another plant which is quite unique. So this is a pool with many diversity of even the very fernery, even cycads. I am able to show you, and other ferns of different. For example, this is Japanese bird's nest fern, Spilenium antiquum, and this is Sagopum, Cycas cercinalis. Again, it represents our India. This is basically restricted to India, and it is also preserved here. Cycas cercinalis from Janiaceae. This is another Cerotomium. We have many Cerotomium species, even in Banihal area and Poonch. Professor Harvinder Kiran has done very good work on the ferns of Jammu, and especially Poonch. But this is Japanese holy fern, Cerotomium falcatum. And we have many adiantums. We have brake fern, Pteris vittata also here. And this is the gallery of the earlier representatives of land plants, which are called ferns. They have preceded the gymnosperms and also the flowering plants and angiosperms. This is Adiantum, diamond maiden here, Adiantum trapeziforme, which is from West Indies, Cuba. You see how beautifully they have decorated and preserved this Garfield Plant Conservatory in the city of Chicago. After the rains, we have this unique, and credit for this innovative idea goes to Jensen, who brought this all landscape-like idea under the glass house. And this is Angel Aglomorpha Coronens. This is unique fir. And there is also Meadow spike moss, Selaginella apoda. And these are the benches where one can rest and relax, and different kinds of it. Need a lot of time to really study all these of pteridophytic flora and fauna. The giant fern is named for its large 15-foot leaves. Unlike most of ferns, this one has many uses. The young leaves and interior of the stem are both edible. So this is another fir which is preserved here. It's many beautiful cycads before me. and you see the beauty of cycads and different kinds of ferns. This is unique mahogany fern, Didymoclina truncatula. This is looking like mahogany from a distance, although mahogany is angiosperm, but this is named a mahogany fern. And this is another cycas. And there's a water melodies, Tacteria. This is a Tacteria, also seen in India. Tacteria crenata. This is different species. This is Selaginella. And these are the brooks, streams, man-made, no doubt. And this is Equisetum. We have many Equisetum. Equisetum ramosissima. They are reported from Punch. It is also looks like that, but I am not sure which particular species this is. And we have many